Hi guys, today I'd like to share with you the second in my subscriber requested series, and this is for Speedy lemon chicken. It's an all-in-one dish, very quick and very simple to make. First make up a stock cube with some boiling water in, and then prepare your ingredients. Chop up the peppers, chop up the chicken breast, fill it into strips and dice up the lemon. Following the instructions given, it's a case of just put all the ingredients straight into the wok, no oil and no starting frying first, all in. I cooked this on a medium hot stove because it's not so much like frying a stir fry. You want some time whereby the rice will absorb all the juices and flavours as they come out, so a red hot wok isn't ideal, just a medium hot wok. And as you can see, I stirred it all together at the beginning, and I added only 3/4 of the stock just to be sure that the stock was the right amount for the rice that I'd put in, and I did indeed add the rest of the stock at a later stage. And here you can see it has cooked down and it hasn't stuck to the pan. It does have a lovely creamy texture. I think this would make a very comforting autumn dish with a hint of summer freshness still. The fact that you use no oil is also quite a bonus for many people. However, regarding lemon, unless you're really into that much lemon, I perhaps would put less in, or I may even consider marinating my chicken with the zest of the lemon and the lemon juice. And I would consider removing the lemon pieces before eating the dish. Having said which, it had a wonderful lemon zing, and I decorated mine simply with some fresh basil and a couple of dry roasted lemon rings. It's a great way of using any leftover veg. It's dairy free and very satisfying, and it's virtually fat free. I do hope you've enjoyed watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.